Okay, so we've got a quick update. I just spent a couple of minutes recording my baby's heartbeat. The first time that I recorded it, I raised it on my blog just to make sure that what I was hearing was correct. Found out that it might have been my heartbeat, and to try a bit further down for something a bit faster. So we did, and I found something, posted it again, got some feedback, and everyone thinks that it's the real thing now. So here you go.